Got bad breath blues? Let's find out which foods might be to blame. First up, garlic and onions. These flavor-packed veggies contain sulfur compounds that linger in your lungs and on your breath. Next, spicy foods. They can release those same sulfur compounds and trigger acid reflux. Dairy lovers, beware. Milk and cheese can feed bacteria in your mouth, leading to odors. Coffee drinkers, we're looking at you. Coffee's acidity dries out your mouth, letting bacteria run wild. And alcohol, similar story. Dry mouth, bad breath. Canned fish, like tuna, breaks down into smelly amines. Sugary treats fuel bacteria, producing foul smells. Finally, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and Brussels sprouts release hydrogen sulfide, aka the rotten egg gas. But don't worry, brush floss, use mouthwash, stay hydrated, and chew sugar-free gum. Parsley or mint after meals, instant freshness. And remember, avoid smoking to keep your breath on point. Keep that breath fresh and fabulous. Stay healthy, my friends.